So before I start this video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the hair. I'm not gonna do a whole talk through in this entire video, which I don't think really matters because it's really hot, and if I keep my fan on, you're gonna hear it like OD. So I'm just gonna like show you guys the unboxing, and then I'm just gonna show you what I do, and obviously I'll probably have like a little text on the screen like explaining, but if you want to hear me talk, if it's that important, then be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Let me unbox this before I like drown in my own sweat. Obviously regular this Unice hair box, sturdy, always intact as usual. Even that one time when they sent it in the box, always sturdy, always intact. This is a 14-inch balayage, it says. So this is how it looks open. Obviously it's the hair, comes with a headband, which they've been doing recently. It's cute. I have so many headbands, it's wild. And then we have a two-piece wig cap, which is great. I love when they do the two-piece ones. You can't have too many, so I love when it has two-piece ones. So yeah, that's what comes in the box. I was hoping they came with lashes this time. Last one, if you haven't seen that review, you should go watch it, because the last one came with such nice lashes. I haven't even worn them yet, but like they look so nice. So here what it looks like. I was kind of worried about it being 14-inch, but we're gonna see. I'm like always the shorter lens to I'm like I don't know. Okay, this one has a little bit of smell. I'm gonna have to wash it. This time it came with a smell, but it was like a little bit stronger, and I have to wash it. I think it was the last big review I did. It had like a pretty strong smell, and I had to wash it. But after I washed it, I don't think I ever noticed the smell again. This one doesn't smell like as much as the other one does, but I'm still gonna wash it. But anyway, look how pretty this is. It's actually really pretty. The balayage is a little bit more orange than I thought it would be, but I'm excited to try it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, like what style I'm gonna do, but I'm just gonna try it on and see, just like work my way through it. I feel like I was imagining it to be curly, but maybe more curly, but this is nice, this wave, this curl pattern. It has like little baby hairs already separated. Like this one actually looks plucked, so thank God. Honestly, they always say baby hairs and they're never like this well separated. The last video I think was the first time I ever plucked the wig, and it looks pretty good like that, so it's definitely gonna be something I keep on doing now. And it has a 13x4 lace. I can finally show you guys my ball cap method. In my last video I did the ball cap method, but I clipped the entire part out because it was literally a 4x4 lace, and I just realized how pointless that was for me to do. So I can definitely do that this time around. And it says 150 density, so yeah, this is pretty full. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna try it on and show you guys the process. So yeah, oh yeah, let me show you the inside. Two clips at the side and then one in the back, and again with the adjustable straps there. I'm gonna try this on for you guys and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so let's get into it, and I'll show you guys how I do my ball cap method too. And I don't use glue, so you know, you want to see like an easy glueless ball cap method install, then this is it.
Stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. Stroke it. There is something I want you to
Made this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they get me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys, that's Nike boys, I've been our coach. This shit way too big, when we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at post. Had to hit my old town to duck the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the crew. I just landed in, Chase B mixes pop like Jamba Joe's. Different color chains, think my jeweler really selling fruits. And they joking, man, know the crackers wish you was a no.
Someone said,
we all in too deep. Play for keeps, don't play us for weeks.
someone said,
We all in too deep. Play for keeps, don't play us for weeks.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made on records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her hop in, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slot the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a goose. Who put this shit together, I'm the glue.
someone said,
Shorty face, Tommy out the blue.
someone said, someone said, motherfucker, someone said.
Don't play us for weeks.